just want to have, whoa! Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about a Garvee ping pong table. Just got this in the mail. It was sent to us complimentary. So I want to show you, I'm going to do the unboxing and I want to show you what's inside the box. I wasn't sure what color we were going to get. They have red, blue, and black. And let's see, it's red. Oh, I love red. This is awesome. And then we're going to go into some real life play so you can see how awesome this is for your home. So now we have it out of the box and I want to show you. It comes with a really sturdy handle, nice sturdy locks, which makes it compact. As you can see, look how thin it is. If you want to store it and you don't want to always keep it up, you have the option of storing it. It stores just like a folding table, but it's so much more. It's so much fun to just have this, and then you don't have to worry about it. You don't have to leave it out, but you're certainly welcome to leave it out. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to open up the locks. They open up very easily, but they are very secure. You can see inside there are paddles. There are 2 paddles, 3 balls, and the net. We're going to open it up, we're going to get it set up, and we're going to show you how everything looks all put together. Okay, so the paddles I want to show you come secured in this plastic casing with the 3 balls. The paddles are red to match the red table, and inside this Ziploc bag is the net and the hooks to secure it to the table for play. Okay, so now we're going to open it up. As you can see, the legs are tightly secured in here. Very nice quality of steel. We're going to just drop it down to the floor. I can do this, as you can see, by myself. You don't need any tools. You can do this so easily. It's just an easy thing to do. Look how easy I'm doing this just with one hand. Just assembling each side. Now we're going to pull up the legs. Same system. One leg, just to secure it. And then the second one, we're going to do the same. So all we have to do now, and look, I just want to show you there are rubber stoppers on the bottom to protect your floors, to protect your carpet. We're going to flip it over and we're going to show you how it looks when it's on the correct side. Okay, so the table is in place. Look how easy that was. You just need a helper and you can just put it up and it's assembled. It also comes, I just wanted to mention that the rubber stoppers adjust. So if you need to fix it to fit your floor and to level something, you're good to go. You have the option. 6 legs, all set to go. Now it's time to set up the net and get ready to play. So all we do is these come with a little screw on the end here. You just insert it into the hole. This is for the net. You just keep going and put it in. So simple, no tools required, really no skill. So both sides have been screwed into the table. Now we're going to take the net and it's elasticized on each end. All we have to do is put it over the screwed in thing. What could be easier? I mean, this is really just no assembly, so easy. Put it in now. Last one, that right in there. Okay, so the net is on. The table is set to go. It's ready to play. We've got our ball, we've got our paddles, and now let's show you how easy and fun this is. Whoa, we didn't say we were good players, we just said we were gonna play. Again, it's all about having fun and having the flexibility of having a ping pong table in your home. It's great for rainy days. It's great for snowy days. You can use it anytime. You don't need to have a lot of time. Just want to have, whoa, fun with the family, friends. It'll give you a lot of laughs, and it's a great way, burn off a little steam, burn a little calories, and just have a lot of fun. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope that you decide to purchase a ping pong table. I promise you, you won't be sorry. Lots of laughs and fun to come. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and follow for more. And if you enjoyed this video, please comment below. Let me know if you like to play ping pong, and if you have a table or you're going to purchase a table. And if you are, what color are you going to get? Have a great day, and thanks for watching.